I had to go. Actually, you know what? You know how I discovered what this was? I have a catalog from Return of the Jedi that's pretty cool. It's like has all the toys in it. And I was going through it, and this is in there. This is the Energizer for their vehicles. It's like a custom stand station. You have like these things that plug into here, like tubes and whatnot, and you get some wrenches and everything. And this comes up and pops up like this. And Chewbacca likes to hang out here. This is like a repair station for some of the vehicles in Star Wars. Anyways, this is all we have. We don't have anything else. This is it. This is absolutely it. There's no accessories, no parts, no nothing. This is the whole shebang. This is going up in our store as well. And that is Lucasfilm, Kenner Products, 1982, made in Hong Kong. So if you're looking for an Energizer, we're your store. We have all sorts of Star Wars products going up right now. We're probably going to be sourcing more Star Wars products because it was one of my favorite things to watch when I was a kid. Also going up in our store. I'll say that for the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. See ya on the next video.